That's how I feel after Taco Bell.
Ew.
My mom gave it
Disgusting.
Oh, whoa.
Oh,
that one's super bright.
Whoa.
Cap gun? Not
Oh
the
my gosh,
not the
setting
paper
off
one.
our own fireworks.
So did I.
She was not having fun with that. She was like, it hurts. Thank you for laughing at my daughter's
Still going.
These are good ones. They go for like a minute. And then this one's supposed to go for like 4 minutes.
Alright, so that's good. No, this is good. Do you got any that actually shoot up into the air?
Nah, those are like against the wall.
alright, let's talk about like Mrs. Doubtfire or something.
I'm gonna wait for the light to come.
Zombie Mrs. Doubtfire.
Hello!
What's messed up is everybody saw it. Everybody was out.
What about the juju? That's the one that makes the sound if you light it.
Oh, these things will blow up.
It just abruptly stops.
Nice.